Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here for a commercial building actually located right next to us down in the Mira Mesa area. Commercial buildings, we have a flat roofing system. It's going to be a modified bitumen torch down roof. A torch down is basically long strips of an asphalt tar based with granules, and it's actually adhered with a flamethrower, in long strips as we're seeing right here. What we want to check for is these seams, because these seams are the waterproofing device, right? So we want to see adequate bleed out. We want to see about a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch on these. What happens when these roofs start to fail is we see a lot of granule loss. You can see a lot of basically tar showing through and eventually fiberglass. Sensitive areas on this roof are going to be about around the penetrations. In this scenario, it's going to be the package units that we see here. We have these right here. You can see the shininess of the fiberglass showing through. Our drainage system over there is where the water actually drains off this roof with a slight slope, and we can see it right there as well. Where leaks are occurring in the bathroom right here, where we have additional penetrations and seams. What we can see is these seams actually start to come up over time. Now you can do what people have done in the past and just put mastic over the top, right? Well, it cracks because it's tar based over time with sun exposure, and then these seams just reopen. It's more of a band-aid type of remedy. This is a package unit right here that's over that conference room where we're having the current leak. You can actually see the water stain that is occurring, and we can see the amount of granule loss and where our leak's occurring. Right here, where they try to reinforce that with some torch down, but we can see the amount of granule loss and the fiberglass that's showing through. Severe wear and tear. My research says this building was built in 2006. It's definitely seen some weather deterioration. Just to bring this to whoever's eye is watching this, we can definitely see this is another package unit where we notice that the same thing is occurring. Severe granule loss, and the seam is coming up. So my guess would be the next place the leak is going to be right here. As far as remedy for this, there's two options. There's an more economical option where we just basically do an overlay, where we put a whole brand new layer of a torch down overlay over this roof, or we can actually tear it down to the wood decking and replace any damaged wood, and then actually put on a new flat TPO roofing system, which is what we recommend. I can provide both options to the building owner, and I'll provide this roof inspection video. And during this project, all the roofing material is wrapped underneath this counter flashing and this Z-bar right here. So it'd actually go all the way underneath this, wrapped up the sides, and we would update the drainage on this as well, making sure we clear out any of this debris. But yes, around these package units are basically our concern. I would expect a leak occurring over there. There's been some repairs done, but they're always band-aids in this situation. Recommendation is an overlay or a full tear off, just because we're seeing a lot of wear and tear on this roof. It's time. Okay, I thank you, appreciate it.